fuck me, I know it. Yeah. She wanna fuck me, I know it. Yeah. She wanna fuck me, I know it.
Richie on the beat.
Yeah. She wanna fuck me, I know it. I don't wanna fuck that bitch, too boring. I pull her 4 in the morning, she sucking me sloppy, a nigga still yawning. I ain't even.
Hey dolls, as you can tell by the title of this video, I will be showing you how I apply my lace frontals using Ghostbond glue. This glue is a very heavy duty glue and will hold your frontal down for about a good week and a half. So, if you're interested in how I apply my lace frontals, then stay tuned. So here you just see me applying the Ghostbond glue, and I am spreading it out evenly with the back of my comb. You want to make sure you apply a thin, even layer so it won't be too bulky and your lace will lay seamlessly. Now I'm just fanning it. You want to make sure your glue is dried clear. And here you just see me applying more to where around my ear area, because that is always the area that lifts first. And then you just want to keep fanning and fan again and fan again. As you can tell, I was very impatient, so I really didn't let the glue dry clear, but I do this all the time, and like I said, this is my method. So here you see me applying my Hairspells Deep Wave Frontal. I apply the middle first, and then I go to my sides, and then I go to my other side. And as you can tell, I am laying it and pressing down with my fingernails. You don't actually want to use the palm of your fingers because of the oils will basically re-warm up the glue and won't stick properly. I'm going to take my edge control and my toothbrush, not my toothbrush that I actually brush my teeth with, but my edge brush, and lay these baby hairs. If you guys want to see a baby hair slicking tutorial, comment down below and I will be sure to do one of those for you. But yeah, so now I'm just taking the time to make sure that my baby hair edges are to my liking. They're not really dramatic, but I do like the little swoop. So here you see me redoing it and just going in with your brush. And like I said, that is basically all, you guys, on how I apply my lace frontals using Ghostbond glue. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.